Welcome everyone. Welcome to episode 2, my own show. Home cooking with Mama Noi. Now I don't have to share with Marion. Episode 1 worked very well. Thanks for watching everyone. Today we're making egg salad. This one special regional Thai fried egg salad. You don't find this in the restaurant. Mama Noi is going to show you how. Let's go. Oh, wait, I forgot. Now let's cooking. First of all, we need to fry the egg. You must fry like an Asian style. Crispy and crunchy. Heat up the oil. We want a lot of oil for this. Listen to noise. You're not be scared with the oil. Wait till the oil nice and hot. How you know how to find the oil hot? You just use the chopstick, wood stick. Use the big end, not the small end. So you put on a pan. Make sure the bubble. If the bubble, that means the oil ready. This one not quite. No bubbling. Oil should be ready now. You can see that the oil is bubbling. That means it's ready. Okay, now the egg. I like to crack my egg in the bowl first. You never know what's gonna happen. Now put the egg in. Be careful, but the oil is splashing. Flick the oil around the egg. It's gonna make crunchy all over. That's how you cook the Asian fried egg. Now you look the crunchy. You see the color? That's ready. Put in a tray with the paper towel. 1 egg per person. Need to cook all the way to crispy and well done. How the Asian people like. That egg is done. Now we're going to do the vegetable. We want some onion, cut half, cut to the wedges, but not too big because we're going to eat him too. Just like this. Good salads, good chopping. Now put in a bowl, tomato. We're using egg, we call egg tomato. I need 2. Cut half, and you take this one off because you can't eat this one. Cut the same which wedges with the same onion. Now put into the bowl. This is a great salad. All you need is a simple ingredient. You can make any night of the week. Egg and some vegetable. Simple. You want red chili? This one, nice, it's not too spicy, you can eat it. If you want, you can use the capsicum too. This one not very spicy salad. I want to cut this way, take more of the seed out. This one special ingredient. In Thai we call Ton King Chai. And in English, it's Chinese celery. You can find this at Chinese supermarket. I have mild celery flavor. If you can't get this one, you can use celery leaves, just normal celery. This one, we can use the whole thing, this one. Now I want a coriander and spring onion. Vegetable is done, now we're gonna cut the egg. The egg don't need to be hot, it's warm. I'm gonna cut a nice chunk. Half first, as you can hear this crispy. I don't have to cut too big, you know, by side. Now we're going to add all the resting ingredients. Fish sauce, white sugar. You need sweet and salty and sour. Now I need some lime juice. So you just wrap the lime, make it juicy, and you cut it half. Then cut to the white juice. And the lime, squeeze the lime. Now we mix. Look at the color. That's beautiful. I want to taste it. It's still going to add some more flavor. Don't need any more flavor. Beautiful. The egg is nice and crispy. This one's so good. Now I can serve it up. This one you can serve with steamed rice or eat together with another Thai dishes. Look at the color. A lot of dressing in the bottom. Just pour that on the top. Just look at that. You never find this in a local Thai restaurant. You will love it. Home cooking with Mama Noi. I hope to see you next episode.
If you've got any comments or questions, pop them below. And if you enjoyed the video, why not hit that subscribe button plus the little bell one, and that way you'll get notified every time I release a new video. Thanks guys.